In this video, I will explain find the Fourier transform of Fourier transform of cosine function. Cosine function. Therefore, x of t is equal to cos omega naught t. Solution. This is the cos function. This is the cos function, periodic function like that. X of t, amplitude is 1. This is the time period here. T naught, omega naught is equal to 2 pi by T naught. Consider x of t is equal to cos omega naught t. Cos omega naught is converted into e power functions, e power jx, e power j omega naught t plus e power minus j omega naught t by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 e power j omega naught t 1 by 2 e power minus j omega naught t. This is the equation 1. Now, Fourier periodic signals are used to Fourier series used to represent the periodic signals. Complex exponential Fourier series of x of t, that is x of t is equal to sigma n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity Cn e power j n omega naught t. Put n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. C1 e power j n is equal to 1 means C1 e power j omega naught t. Minus 1, c minus 1 e power minus j omega naught t, minus j omega naught. Therefore, consider n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. These two values are substituted in the above equation. That is equal to c1 e power j omega naught t plus c minus 1 e power minus j omega naught t. Compare 1 and 2 equations. Compare 1 and 2 equations. Therefore, C1 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 is equal to 1 by 2. C minus 1. C minus 1 is also 1 by 2. Next one, Fourier transform of periodic signal x of t is equal to, that is x of omega, 2 pi sigma n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity Cn e Cn dou of omega minus n omega naught. Here n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1 only substituted in the above equation. 2 pi n is equal to 1 C1 dou of omega minus omega naught, n is equal to minus 1 C minus 1 dou of omega plus omega naught minus 1. Therefore, C1 and C minus 1 is 2 pi. C1 is 1 by 2 dou of omega minus omega naught. C minus 1 is 1 by 2 dou of omega plus omega naught. 1 by 2 is common term, cancel out. Therefore, Fourier transform of cos omega naught t is equal to pi dou of omega minus omega naught plus dou of omega plus omega naught. With this, the derivation is completed. This is the Fourier transform of cos omega naught t pi of dou of omega minus omega naught plus dou of omega plus omega naught. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.